Hello everyone. So Nifty opened gap down today, and we were expecting Nifty to take some support around 17,200, which didn't happen. But eventually we broke the 1 hour low and we went even further down. Uh, but we just couldn't take any intraday sell trades because the RSI was very oversold. So it just I always believe that there will be bounce today, which eventually happened. We bounced at the in last 2 hours, 3 hours of trade, last 2 hours of trade, but it was very difficult to sell today. So we didn't take any sell trade because the once the low was broken, there was very less room on the downside, and risk reward was not setting in. So taking a sell trade didn't make sense. We were looking for buying opportunities, but we couldn't find a good buying opportunity also. So it was almost like a no trade day today, and for tomorrow now Nifty was this was the original channel over here. If you see, I'll just mark it. So Nifty was moving in this channel over here. So this was the upper band of the channel and this was the lower band of the channel. This morning we just broke down and so what I've done is I've plotted a third line, which is this line over here. This line I've plotted over here, which is exactly the same distance of the channel. Now that third line will become a area of support and resistance, and that overall probably we may have a bigger channel on it's a possibility that we may end up forming a bigger channel, or we may just form a new channel within the bigger channel. So now we have 3 points, like the midpoint of the channel and two ends of the channel. So now what we have to see tomorrow is whether we enter the original channel. If we enter the original channel, or we just take resistance on the midline, and then fall down. So that will be important to see now. And in such cases, like if you just use Bollinger Band now, we can just see whether 20 moving averages mid band will be a good selling area. So 20 moving average is somewhere around 17,370 right now. It will keep moving with the price, so it may start coming down tomorrow. So now, if there's a pullback, so these are the areas which you have to look. There is 17,250 on the upside, which is the middle line or the original channel line, which is around 17,250, or wherever the mid band reaches by the time we reach it. So the mid band will be falling right now till the time price is trading below it. It's average, so it will keep moving down. And whenever we hit the mid band line, it will be a good selling opportunity. So that is how I think Nifty should mostly trade tomorrow. Overall trend is bearish on weekly, daily, hourly, on any time frame it is bearish. So just use any opportunity, any pullback as a selling opportunity. We'll just quickly look to the daily charts as well. Oh, there are too many lines here. Wait 1 second. Let me just remove these red lines. So on daily chart, we have made a doji over here. We are still on that line over here as per daily chart. They have redrawn it on the hourly chart, which we saw. So we have closed below it, but on the daily chart, it's showing as if we have closed on it. So we have closed below it. So that's something that we don't need to check again. And if we have bounce, we can look for the upper line of that hourly chart. Also, you saw the upper line of the original channel. That could be the upper target. So 17,250, 17,370 is the band, the middle point of the band of the hourly chart. So wherever that reaches, slowly, steadily, it will keep coming down. So you can put it on your charts and see. So those areas will be a good selling zone for tomorrow. And I'll I don't think so there'll be any changes on weekly time frame. It's not the right time to see also, but I'll just have a look still if there are any supports or something. So no, I don't think so. There is something that we need to worry of. So yeah, on the upside, 17,250 and 17,375 is the band right now. Wherever it comes down to, that areas could be looked as a selling opportunity. The as per support and resistance, the next level is where the gap gets filled. That is 17,450. So in case if market keeps going up, then 17,450 is the third level that we can look into. So all these levels are where we can, wherever we see a sign of bearishness, we should be selling. So the approach is to sell, but where we have to sell is we have to decide during the market hours. So hope you have a good trading day and keep watching our channel and keep forwarding the link to all your friends and family. Thank you.